Expression-bodied members provide a concise way to define a member's implementation using the lambda arrow operator. This syntax is useful when the logic consists of a single expression, eliminating the need for curly braces. Expression-bodied members simplify code by reducing unnecessary syntax while keeping it clear and readable. Expression-body definitions can be used for methods, read-only properties, properties with only a getter, constructors, finalizers, events, and indexers. You can use expression-bodied members for common operations such as returning a value, assigning a field, or defining a simple expression become more compact and readable.